And right here, the Realme C55, kamukhang-kamukha po niya si iPhone 14 Pro Max. May dynamic island na po siya. Ano ba kasi meron dito? Guys, meron na siyang 8256 Helio G88 processor. Isang napakalaking display, 6.7-inch, 90Hz pa. Ang design pang iPhone pa rin, box-type design. Pero, napakalaki ng mga camera sa likod. And get this, meron pa siyang 5,000 mAh of battery. And for the first time, fast charging! 33 watts inilagay. I love you, Realme. This is the next big thing. The Realme C55. Wow, ang ganda. And napakalaki. This is a very big phone. So feeling ko ito yung pinakamalaking Realme C series na phone. This one is their biggest by far, 6.7 inches. Look at that design. Napakagwapo, shiny, and very edgy. Mukha ba siyang iPhone? Now the display is a 6.7-inch. 1080p, yes, 1080p na po siya. 90Hz, uy, ang smooth. IPS LCD display, no? It's big, it's massive, it's got good brightness, it's got good colors. Sa Antutu benchmark, 217,000 points sa Antutu benchmark. Ayan po. Which is for me, decent na siya kasi in terms of yung competition niya sa mga ganitong presyuhan. So para sa performance, no, ito yung kanyang setting sa Mobile Legends. High graphics and high refresh rate lang. But in terms of yung kanyang optimization sa game, very optimized naman siya. Hindi po siya naglalag, wala pong frame drops. It's going to be a pleasant experience if you're going to play Mobile Legends on this phone.